The Apple Watch Ultra is a more advanced and rugged version of the standard Apple Watch, designed for professionals like athletes, hikers, divers, and other extreme adventurers. One of the cool features I love about the Apple Watch Ultra is its night mode feature. The watch includes a night mode to help you move in the dark without straining your eyes or distracting you from the bright display. But what is night mode on the Apple Watch Ultra? The night mode feature on the Apple Watch Ultra effectively applies a red filter blocking blue light to the watch's display. Thus, it reduces eye fatigue and avoids damaging the retina. The display on other Apple Watches may not be ideal for night vision. So, the night mode on your Apple Watch Ultra will be crucial if you love adventures at night. Maybe you have searched all over your new watch but can't find the feature, but don't worry, we've got you covered. But first, there are a few things you should know. The requirements to enable night mode on the Apple Watch Ultra are simple, and I'll take you through them. Currently, to use night mode on Apple Watch Ultra and Ultra 2, you must enable either Wayfinder or modular Ultra watch face. The Wayfinder watch face is exclusive to the Apple Watch Ultra and provides information important to runners, hikers, and underwater enthusiasts with customizable features and up to 5 complications, including a compass and night mode. Another thing to note is that your Apple Watch must be updated to the latest watch OS 10. Please note that if you're running the original Watch Ultra on watch OS 9, you'll be able to use night mode only in Wayfinder. Now that we have got the basics out of the way, here's how you can turn on night mode on Apple Watch Ultra. To turn on the Wayfinder Modular Ultra watch face, long press on display. Then it will provide you with a list of available watch faces. Now you must swipe through the faces and choose Wayfinder Modular Ultra from there. Then press and hold the watch face. Choose Edit to set it up. Swipe through the available options and come to night mode. Here, you will be provided 3 options: Auto, Off, and On. You can select either Auto or On to enable night mode. When you select Auto, the night mode will be enabled by default in poorer lighting conditions. The Off option means the night mode will be disabled. Then On is basically enabling the night mode on the Apple Watch Ultra, and that's all. Night mode is successfully activated, making reading in low light conditions considerably simpler. But there's a drawback. The night mode only functions on the main screen. Using any other feature or tapping on other watch complications will disable the night mode. In case you were wondering how to disable night mode, you just need to turn the digital crown in the opposite direction on the Wayfinder face. And that's all. You now know how to activate and disable the night mode feature on the Apple Watch Ultra. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Until next time, thanks for watching.